Hi, welcome to another Kit Plus interview. We're here at NAB 2022 at the Marshall stand, and here we are saying hi to Todd Musgrave. Give us a run through of what's going on. This is the first of 4 interviews we're doing on the Marshall stand, so make sure you have a look out on the playlist for any more of those interviews. Todd, how are you doing?
Doing good.
Good.
Thanks
Great
for
to
coming by.
see you in person.
It's indeed.
At last. So here we're at the miniature cameras.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us a bit about what we've got here.
So the CV605 is our entry-level PTZ camera with 5x optical zoom, 85-degree angle of view to start, but a sub $900 US price point. So it's a very budget-conscious camera. We have one with 3G SDI and IP, and then one with HDMI, USB-C, and IP. So the 605 range is new to our camera line, and again, to reach that entry-level price point.
And both the same, all same resolutions?
All the way up to HD, so 1080p, 60 frames, 1080i, and 720p.
Cool.
Resolutions.
Yeah.
We're also showing our PT head, our CV PT head that fits any one of our POV cameras. So here we're showing
your own pan tilt head.
The CV PT head is designed by BR Remote in collaboration with them.
Yeah,
that can fit any number of our POV cameras. Here we're showing it with our 10x zoom block.
Yep.
So really kind of constitutes a full PTZ option in a very small format.
Very small and lightweight, I would imagine.
Exactly. Yeah. And you can hang it upside down. You can mount it 1/4" 20 to a tripod if you wanted to.
Yeah.
But it enables that movement of a normally fixed POV camera position.
Cool.
So the PT head, it can be controlled via any number of remotes.
Yep.
By BR Remote. We have an
Remote.
entry level at $300, all the way up to several thousand with a full kind of broadcast manipulation of control.
Cool.
Now, the controller controls the PT head, but it also controls the functions within the camera, such as color balancing, white balance, brightness.
All from one place.
Yeah, all from one controller.
Yeah.
So it's a pass-through patch cable, allows you to also control the camera as well. Excellent.
Cool. And are any of these new, or is this existing lines?
Well, the entry level is new within several months, and we're going to show you the Genlock cameras at the other pod.
Cool.
And the PT head has been available for a while, all available on our website.
Yeah, so for more information, where do we go? We're at the top of Central Hall now. If they're at NAB, after the show, where do they go to find out more?
Marshall-USA.com is where to find...
So don't forget to have a look at the other videos that we're doing on the Marshall stand on the playlist, and for anything else that we're doing at the show, go to kitplus.com. Thank you very much.